The Nike Giannis Freak 7 continues to expand its lineup, and one of its most talked about releases is the Deception colorway, scheduled to arrive at the start of 2026. With Nike's massive archive of designs, it is natural for new models to echo past classics, and this pair draws visual attention for its resemblance to one of the most iconic basketball sneakers of the 2010s. A dark gray panel helps set it apart, but the overall look still sparks strong comparisons among sneaker fans. While many audiences may not have seen the earlier inspiration up close, recent Nike silhouettes have already explored similar color themes, making this release feel like part of a larger design conversation. Beyond the design story, the Giannis Freak 7 Deception stays true to the performance-focused identity of Giannis Antetokounmpo's signature line. The shoe is expected to launch on January 1, 2026, with a retail price of $115, offering fans a bold start to the new year.